In this video, we're going to be checking out the best lighters for camping that you can buy today. Lighters are essential for backpacking and camping. There's nothing better than roasting some marshmallows on the campfire after a long day. You will need a reliable lighter to start the campfires and grills when camping, so it's important to do your research, or you'll be left cold and hungry. Our team of camping experts have spent hours researching and testing lighters for camping. These lighters are listed in order based on performance, quality, and price, and there is an option for every type of camper. So if you're looking for the best lighter for camping, we'll have the product for you in this list. We've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which are in your budget range. Now, let's get on with the video. The fifth product on our list is the Bic Multipurpose Lighters. These Bic Multipurpose Lighters are a staple for most households, and with good reason. They are reliable and child-resistant, so safe for families. The long, durable metal wand allows you to light fires from a safe distance. Whether you're grilling at home, heading on a camping trip, getting ready to warm up by the fireplace, or lighting candles for a special occasion, these Bic lighters are there to light the way. The pros are, they are reliable. They come in a multi-pack, and they are safe with the child locking mechanism and the long wand. However, they are large and bulky for camping, and they are not wind or waterproof. If you're after a child-friendly, reliable, and affordable lighter, then you can't go wrong with these Bic lighters. However, they are large and bulky, so not the best for camping, which is why they are in our number 5 spot. In number 4 is the RONXS lighter. RONXS's lighter is a high-tech version of the Bic lighters. It has a multi-protect safety system to ensure complete protection for you and your lighter. And it's environmentally friendly as its packaging is made of recycled paper. The craft brown paper box it comes in makes it a great gift too. This is the upgraded RONXS arc lighter, which can display real-time battery charge level, which is really useful. On a full charge, this lighter will go for over 600 uses. The long neck of this lighter makes it safe to light fires from a distance and can be rotated 360 degrees for different lighting needs. The design of this lighter makes it wind and splash proof, making it ideal for camping. It's also rechargeable, so there's no flame, no butane, and no hassle. Bear in mind that you will have to clean the position of the arc pulse with a brush to remove any flammable materials after using this lighter. The pros are, it's rechargeable, it's safe with its long neck, and it's wind and splash proof. However, it's bulky, and it can be a pain to keep cleaning the arc. This is a great alternative to the Bic lighter and perfect for when you want to light fires from a distance. However, it is a bit bulky, and cleaning the arc after every use does get annoying, which is why it's in our number 4 spot. The third product on our list is the Zippo matte pocket lighters. The Zippo lighters are iconic, and this genuine Zippo, made in the USA, is a reliable camping lighter. It's made from metal construction, so it's durable, which is great for all the hard knocks that come with camping. It's also windproof, so you can still light a fire out in the elements without worrying that the flame will get blown out. It's refillable, so you will need to remember to take lighter fluid on your camping trip or fill it beforehand. However, it doesn't come with the lighter fluid, so make sure that you have some to fill it up with before use. The Zippo also comes with a lifetime guarantee, so if it stops working at any time, you can get it fixed for free. The pros are, it's a high-quality, durable, classic lighter. It has a lifetime guarantee, and it's windproof. However, it uses lighter fluid, so you will have to remember to take it with you. If you want a classic windproof lighter that will last you a lifetime, then you can't go wrong with the Zippo. However, refilling it can become a nuisance. Remember that we have the links in the description for all the products mentioned on this list, so don't forget to check them out. And at number 2 on the list is the GUEVARA Butane Torch Lighter. This lighter is top quality. It's made with a sturdy metal and has a lighter fuel level window, so you will always know how much lighter fluid you have. It's easily refillable with butane fuel. Note that it doesn't come with the fuel, so you'll need to fill it up before use. The flame that the GUEVARA produces is powerful and large, really useful for camping. The strong 2-jet flame is windproof, which as a camper you will know is important. It even arrives in a nicely presented gift box, so you can give it as a gift or just treat yourself. The pros are, it's high quality, it's windproof, and it has a strong, powerful flame. However, the powerful flame takes a lot of butane fuel, so you will have to refill this a lot. The GUEVARA lighter is perfect for camping, and the high quality and presentation of this lighter make it a great gift. But don't forget to stock up on the lighter fluid too. The best lighter for camping is the LcFun Outdoor Lighter. This amazing lighter is waterproof and windproof, which makes it perfect for camping. The metal ring-sealed lighter cover at lock and clasp doesn't let any water seep inside, so you no longer have to worry about rain ruining your lighter, which is ideal for camping. Because it's a flameless plasma lighter, it's windproof, which is really important when you're camping and trying to start a fire out in the open. It's also rechargeable, so you don't need to carry lighter fluid around with you. Just connect the USB to a power source. This durable lighter is built for the outdoors. It comes with a thick paracord lanyard to make it easy to carry when you're camping, hiking, or any other outdoor adventure. It's made with a high-quality ABS and zinc alloy material, which makes it really durable. The pros are: it's durable, it's waterproof and windproof, it's rechargeable, and it's made with high-quality materials. However, the battery life could be better. The LcFun Plasma Lighter works in extreme weather conditions to give you a reliable fire source. It will survive being knocked around and even being submerged in water, which is why it's in our #1 spot. Thanks for watching. That's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give us a like and hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next video.